So, here I am in this weird reality. Welcome to Thrashing Code. It is finally day 10. There were many days before this that, as I have noted in this file right here before us, that I am dodging with my head. I've written days 1 through 9 were somewhat of a clusterfuck. Yes, they were. But we made progress. I made progress. We all made progress. Those watching made progress with me. We got through some Vue.js, confusingly, through Vue.js 2 and Vue.js 3, but it wasn't what we thought it was. So, after spinning out a bit, we also played with Nuxt.js and some other things. Well, now it's getting time for the later stream and getting into the more serious things. The more serious things like actually getting some things done, getting some things built. Day 10 of 100 days of code. I feel like something ought to be done by now. If I were my own boss, I might be pissed. But I'm not my own boss. I'm just me. So, with that, and with my cool effect that I have going on, that I don't even understand the wicked effect that it is, let's step into this realm and get some shit done. That's what we're going to do. That's how it's going to roll today. So got a little metal playing in the background. Not too dominantly, because I will speak unto all of us. And we'll make some things happen. So let's see here. Where are we? I'm going to put myself in my requisite position as the one bringing forth the code for you. And we'll get rolling here. It is day 10. It is day 10 of my 100 days of code. And in an endeavor to get stuff actually moving forward. What is the first step of that? Let's look at the previous notes, since there's been a week and 3 day interruption. Here's some things. Oh God, I sneezed. Half my brain's gone now. Okay, set up initial development environment. Did I do that? I don't even know if I did that. Set up initial Docker Compose for local development. Don't know if I did that. Get Vue.js v3 compatible themes. Set up and build out some of the prospective forms. Start an introduction to Nuxt.js. Figure out how the Vue.js themes intertwine with Nuxt.js. Set up initial Vue.js Nuxt.js project for local development. Finish this repo, i.e. get it caught up to day 5. Add the Vue.js inception repo. I know what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to nuke that. This is what we're about to go. This is what we're about to attack. First, we're going to make next up the next thing. And we're going to have, actually let's do this. Next up, oops. Next up. There we go. And then we're going to have another file. Your Vue.js notes? What is this? Learn, view. Yeah, I ain't even messing with that. We're going to delete that. Gone. Asura notes. What are we doing here? Use v2 image docker. Oh, this is, yeah, this, we do want this. So do I have the repo in there? No, I don't. So let's do that. And then let's, I know what. Gonna get a console, because, yep. There we go. Then wget in here. We're just going to make this the repo. This is going to become our leadership repo, our master repo, our boss's repo. The one where it all happens. So, okay, Docker Compose. It's in there now, right? Yep, there it is. It just has, oh, there it popped up. Okay, first things first with this, I'm going to open up the ports so I can get at my database the way I want to get at my database. 5432, 5432. Hasura will still be able to do that. We're going to use Alpha 6. That's the latest, greatest. We're just going to stick with that junk password because that's where our life is right now. Let's see here. Enable console. Turn that to false. Go ahead and set that up. We turn that off because we don't want the server actually running that. Don't want that comment because, yep, whatever. Enable debugging mode. Dev mode true. Yeah, this is good. We'll disable it in production. Server graphs and log types. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, we'll come back to the admin secret momentarily. I mean, actually, let's do this. Go ahead and add that my admin secret. That's going to be it. Okay, our port 8080. That looks good. Port 5432 for the database. That's the good DB path. Version 12. I'm going to actually bounce to. Actually, we're going to leave it on 12. We are. Or should we not? I don't know. Okay, readme day 10. I'm not going to put anything in there right now. Whoops. But we are going to do this. We're going to change this to. Where's the command? There it is. Now and next up. There we are. And now we can get rolling here. Okay. We don't know what's up next, but we do know what's up now. So, let's see, what do we want to do? We want to get the repo updated, get local development working, get a basic Vue.js application running. Yeah, we'll look at that in just a second. We'll get this baseline running first. Okay, how's our Docker situation? Oh, some stuff. Let's Docker stop. This one. Nope. Stop that container. Stop this container. There we go. Docker images, Docker RMI. I don't want 11. I don't even, oops. That's not what I wanted. I want the image ID. Delete that, Docker RMI. Let's get rid of this one because we're gonna have to pull the new one anyway. Whoops, yep, let's force. Okay, so images, running containers. And now it's time to get it. And Docker compose up/d. And that'll pull the new container. AC Films, hello, holla, bonjour, sky. How goes it? All right, how's that? Looks like life is good in Dockerland. Yeah, there we go. All right. Oh, names thrashing code. Yeah, I guess that works. I am doing 100 days of code in a row. Let's see here. Oh yeah, Hasura console. Oh, I need to do that. Hasura update CLI version v2.0.0 alpha.6. Oh, well, let's get permission, huh? How about that? Sudo it, mofo. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now let's do this. Hasura init Now we're ready. Ah. Oh yeah, where do I? Admin secret. Do I have to put that in? Oh, I'll probably have to pass it. Let's hear Hasura console dash help. Ah, there we go. Admin secret. Oops. So Hasura console admin secret. Oh shoot, what was it? My admin secret key. Heh. There we go. Rock and roll. Need like a dark theme on here. Yeah, how's it actually working here? This is what am I using? Brave now? Is this Brave? It is Brave. Oh, let's use Brave. What the heck? The Brave web browser. Data. All right, public. And then we want to let's see here. I'm doing pretty darn well. Pretty good. I think the only thing that'd make it better is if I had a proper beverage. All I got is this much water left. I need proper water. But yeah, you know. Yeah, I know. It's super fuzzy too, huh? It's like a weird effect going on. Not quite sure what that is. Maybe I'll fix it. Maybe that's what I'll do right now. So what is this? I get a... Oh yeah, weird. And I've got this like whole transporter effect going on, which is super strange. Let's see, I'm gonna check it out. Let's see, I got a chroma key. And wow, I think like no matter which way I go with my head, it's so glowy with the light. I think I'm just gonna disappear. I just think that's how I am. I think my head just disappears. Yeah, oh well. I mean, look at the zoom in effect. The whole thing's gone. And I'm glowing. It's crazy. Let's see here. I'm gonna do root. No, let's hear system core. Actually, we'll call it core system. Maybe I should spell it out, since, you know, we don't really have that many character space limitations and stuff. Core system. Core system, let's delete that. Core sys. Oops, core sys. Whoops. Damn it. There we go. Okay, so core system. And then let's see here. Vue.js. Hasura Vue.js. Basically, oops. Check out the course. I think I'm gonna go with this. So you're integrating GraphQL queries into Vue.js, updating local state with GraphQL mutation. Yeah, this is kind of what we're gonna go through. But I'm gonna pull this off screen. Y'all just gonna go through it with me. That's how we'll rock this. Maybe the top of my head is green. I don't really know. I don't particularly know what the deal is there. That's super weird though, huh? Just don't get it. I don't know. Lighting is never quite my forte, especially when I'm swapping between offices and such. Makes things a little weird. All right. Okay, core system. We got all that stuff running, so we know that's up and going. So let's do that. And then let's hear, what do we want to do? Oops, blasting stuff all over the screen here. So I'm going to do this. There we go. You see my other dimension. Ooh. All right, let's see here. So, intro to GraphQL. Don't really need it. What we'd be building. What this course teach a few concepts. How long does this take? Tutorial take 2 hours. That sounds perfect. Building I'm not worried about the back end. We're just gonna knock that out. I know that part. Intro to GraphQL. That's cool. Yep, you make calls with it. You get queries. Blah blah blah. Architecture. Cool. And then fetching data queries. Yep. Okay, where do we get to the writing data mutation marks data descriptions? Yep. Tutorialer boilerplate. So we're gonna do, so your unzip, make sure you have the app boilerplate. I don't want to use the boilerplate. But to do that, this is what you should see after the steps above. Load GraphQL, play with it, okay. Set GraphQL with Apollo. No, let's do this. Fetch to do, set up GraphQL client with Apollo. Is this? Right, okay, so this is what I want to do then. Set up this. So it says download the boilerplate. So load GraphQL to play with the GraphQL APIs. Log in. I don't really want the boilerplate though. I just want this bit. All right. So that we'll want npm install. So let's actually make a project here. Yup. The thrashed code performs. Sure, we'll start with, actually, what did the other thing say? Main, let's use main.js. Whatever. Yep, this sounds fantastic. Yep, that too. Me. Let's go with, is there MIT? Sure, looks great. All right, so we got that, and then we want to do, what is this? We want all these things. That'll probably take 10 minutes because, you know, web development. Poly dependencies get started. We have also written a utility to get token information to construct the headers. To install Vue Apollo plugin. Now let's install the Vue Apollo plugin into Vue. Okay, this is the stuff, I guess, that's there already in that project. I guess maybe I should pull it down. Let's do that. Let's pull it down. We'll just kind of make a mess of this whole thing. All right, go here. Oh, give me the boilerplate, I guess. Yep. Oh, I downloaded it in the wrong place. I need to go. can open up Dory now. Boom. Oh, what is this? Oh, it tried to... I don't want low close. Just go here. Oh. What in the world is it doing? What in the heck? What in the world? Oh, I guess it got it. Okay. There we go. So all of this, let's take it. We're going to extract it, and we're going to put it in our project. Skip that one, please. And skip that one now, maybe? No, replace it. And replace that one. Let's replace that too. Yeah, okay, show the files. Yeah, that looks good. All right, cool. So we got our demo project. All sorts of stuff in here. So we got our Hasura started. We got our local development server started. We got our Postgres and Hasura containers up and running. Now we need to make this thing run. How does that even work? So npm install, of course, and then npm run serve. Okay, npm install. That should have stayed the same. Yep, package JSON. Bunch of stuff, right? Yep. Oh yeah, there's all the view stuff. Blah blah blah. Okay, and then oh, some post CSS stuff. Here's server. Listen, do that. Okay. View config.js. Cool. Next up, I need to delete. That's not supposed to be there anymore. Perfect. And don't need this anymore. And what is this? Oh, this is to roll together our app. That's cool. Okay, so that'll roll together the app. Babel config, perfect. Auth config, client ID, domain. We're gonna have to update that with our own stuff. That's okay. We'll do that. Auth components. Okay. Don't get carried away. Stay focused. App CSS. Oh, we got some stuff in there. Cool. And then everything else. Okay. Sweet. And this, how does this look? Mostly good. DS store. I want .ida. I feel like we should add some stuff to that. Let's actually kill the console here. How's this going? Oh God, it's still working. It's still working. Come on. Still extract core.js. Extracted to something. Alright, keep working then, I guess. In the meantime, so here, I'm going to close this. Go ahead and open up WebStorm. Is this? Whatever right now. Okay. Oh, that's from this project. Close project. Nope. let's go to open project. And where in the heck are we? Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. Open. Here we go. Do that, and then let's go with this. This window. Nyan Cat works for us. Getting its hustle on. Hustle and bustle, Nyan Cat. Sure. There we go. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's, no, get out of here. What? Oh, Docker fog, yeah. And get a new get ignore based on view node oh, did that kill it? Damn it. Oh, that's all right. We'll do this again. So view node and global templates. What? Come on. If I do that, then this, and this, and then this. Generate. There we go. Just add it to the commit log. I'll set down, put in the old stuff just in case. And there we go. New and improved get ignore file. And then let's take a look at the IDE version of this. We got 52 files in the change list. And do we have anything we don't want? Nope, so far it does not look like it. Nice. So first commit. Do I commit this way? No, I don't. I go to the terminal and I do it this way. One more look, get add. All right, cool, cool. Then let's check the remote. Looks good. Let's push it, what the heck, right? There we go. All right. Now, what are the, let's do the configurations. There's terraforms in here. That's cool. I forget that that exists in here. Oh, let's see here. Docker compose, Docker file. What does it say? It says do. Oh, yeah. Well, anyway, we're gonna cancel that for the moment. Just go to the terminal. That should be out of here. There we go. Okay, what the heck? Come on. Let's give it another chance. while that's running. And we just want to do npm serve. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to find configuration in npm. There it is. Npm. I guess serve. Right? Just npm run. Oh no, run. Yeah, run serve. Right? I think that'll do it. Oh, what the hell? Not a problem with npm. Which failed. Oh, joy. Just do it one more time. See if I get the same result. See if something weird. Yeah, I guess so. Well, here we go. Debugging time, right? Oh, oops. Shit. Oh my god. Seriously did that? Actually, let's do this. Here. You go away, terminal. Let's see what it does. It should get the same error. What does it say? npm audit fix. Oh, it's a knife. Oh, crap. Oh, let's do that. Well, I guess steps to fix these manually. Let's do npm audit now, huh? Prototype pollution. Huh, nice, okay. See if we can get this to work. Run that. Oh god. Local and network. No? Maybe? Oh. Derp derp. Of course. Of course I don't remember. Let me just look at this real quick. Oh my god. I was just sent a picture that showed how similar to Eminem I look right now. But you know, I'm okay with that. I'm not the real Slim Shady. Nope, nope, not at all. The real Slim Shady, he can stand up. It's not me. But you know, hats off to the fella. Alright, where's my super secret password stuff? Oh, I have to look in the right email. Bear with me. Bear with me while this secret stuff happens. Step into the login section here momentarily. I'll be right back. And hey, look at that. Magic. There you go. Sure, keep my secrets out of everybody's view. Alright, so here's the personal to-dos. Yeah. Oh, I see what I got. So I gotta type this stuff in. Blah. Yeah, nothing works so far. Cool. Okay, so that's what I get to start with, though. Let's bounce back over here. And what we'll need to do is go into here. And look at the next steps here. So we got npm serve, we got the signed up, logged in. That's what you see above. Load GraphQL to play with your GraphQL. APIs. Oh, I see. Okay. I see how this is working. So we need to go here. Log in with the same thing. Boom. Oh, look at that. Okay. Learn at GraphQL. Cool. And then these are the queries, etc. for that app. So what you see in the steps above. All right, set up GraphQL with Apollo. What is this video? Oh, I know who wrote this code based on the theme and the fonts. That's so funny. Need abstraction layer. Okay, this is that thing I did before, but I need to do it again. Oh, I need to stop probably. A slow file watcher failed repeatedly to disable 11 minutes ago. Wow. Yeah, I don't want to create a Docker file thing. I don't know why he's telling me to do this. Did it? Oh, it got him. Okay. And then this again. Jesus. Get done. Okay, cool. And the main. Oh, and I want a bunch of stuff added. So I'll mount the app. Production tip is false. Auth plugin. Yeah, trust project. Why are you running though? Oh dear lordy. Didn't start running the Docker file, did it? Sir.io/learn/GraphQL fetch headers. Okay. We've also written a utility to get token information to construct headers. Right, but where's the utility? That seems, I don't know, is there a utility that's not? Is that, I don't know what that's talking about. Now let's install the Vue Apollo plugin into Vue. Okay, well let's get these first, I guess. Whoops. Okay, so after plugin, we need to get the imports. Do import Apollo client from Apollo client. Oops. That looks marvelous. And then import HTTP link from that. God, I love this browser. I mean, this IDE. Import in memory cache. Like, it doesn't really know what I'm doing, but it knows what I'm doing. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna add constant get headers. Pipe bubble bust that into the function arrow Duma flotchet doohickey thingy. Open close braces. Get a constant in there for the headers. And then assign that an empty object. Then let's do constant token. We'll make that window dot local storage. Get item. We're gonna go with Apollo token. I should do the token, and if token headers dot auth, where'd you go? Authorization equals. So we gotta do this bear token. Oops. Return headers. All right, now we need to do a constant for the link. New HTTP link. There we go. Close. And let's get some braces in there. Build this sucker out. URI HTTPS hasura.io learn GraphQL. This is the server, by the way. Where'd my buttons go? Right, yep, and then I gotta do a fetch and headers. Get headers and boom. Oh, let's finish that like so. All right, I got the link and then constant client, new Apollo, come back here, Apollo client, yep. Build this object out in there, link, cache, new in memory cache, build that option object out, and add type name equals true, and then finish that one up. That's about it. Okay, so that's from main.js. Then let's go back up here. I'm going to import view Apollo from view Apollo. Yeah, that. Thanks, IDE. Okay. And then go down here with view use auth plugin. Then we're going to do view use Apollo. Just Apollo. Oh, there it is. Okay, view Apollo. right, so then what do we need to do? New view router. We're going to add in the Apollo provider, just like that. Get the app mount app, I think is pretty much it. And then let's add a constant Apollo provider equals new view, Apollo, then open close braces, build that option object to route, wait, what is it? Oh, it's default client. It's just gonna be client. Finish that sucker out like so. All right, so now we're going to use that Apollo client, fetch data with some queries, and then handle loading that in an error state. So let's do that. Let's do this first, though. Get status. Added main.js code, etc. Okay. Now, let's do this. Boom. And then I'm going to put these bits back over here to look at for a second. So we're writing this query. Oh, whoops. Goofed up something. There we go. This bit. What? Come on. Oh, is that not? That's weird. Copy and paste has been weird on this machine. So I copied this. Oh, I double pasted it into my thing, so it doesn't work great. So this is what I'm trying to do. It's this. So this tries GraphQL and GraphQL. Okay, so let's do query blah what is it, to-dos, and we'll do a where, and we'll get the ID, title, created at, and then is completed. So your where should be is public. That'd be equal to false, and then order by I feel like I missed something. I don't know what I did wrong in the first place. Oh. Oh, like I needed to do this. Anyway, whatever. Boom. Hey, look at that. Learn and deploy new to-do apps. Oh yeah, it's auto-populated here. So we need to add this. Okay. Source components. To do private list. There we go. And then we need to find, oh, there's script, there's import stuff. So right after to do filters, we needed to add import GQL from GraphQL tag. Really? Really, oh. Silly thing. Alright, like that. GQL from GraphQL tag. And then, I don't know about that default. Am I supposed to do something to that? Not super specific. I need that query now, so let's get the query I wrote. Or it wrote, whatever. Beautiful. Put that back on this line. Do I want to do that? I kind of don't want to do that. I kind of want to do this. Or do I want to do that? I don't. No, I don't want to do that either. I don't like this stuff getting formatted that way. It's just not real cool. What is this? It's completed. Oh yeah, yeah. It doesn't. It doesn't because it's not known. Okay, so we did that. What did I do? Oh. I just moved to the page. Okay, so now I need to go to this script, find Apollo, and put this. So export default to do items. Apollo provider, I give have a substitute low object definition. So is that all in that file? Oh yeah, I guess so. So let's, what did it say? Remove. Oh yeah, just remove the two items. Okay. Ah! Bananas. Shit. Okay, there we go. Where? Wait. Default data computed methods Apollo. Default data computed methods. Oh god, I have to figure out where this. Where's the other one? There it is. Okay. Oh, so that maps to the get my to-dos query. So wait a second. Get my to-dos. Why don't I just put the... Like, it seems like I could just put this in there. Or maybe from the GQL down. Okay, I get it though. They're just, yeah. Okay. All right, where do we go from here? What does the query do? Sure. No, it wasn't easy. I mean, the amount of tutorials, the amount of pre-knowledge presumed is pretty extensive. But yeah, I get it. That is, which doesn't start with a block hard component results in the creation of a smart query object. Properties, you have access to the following properties. Loading, blah, Apollo passes here. Folks, you can write a hook in your Apollo definition to handle errors. All right, let's look at what that does. Actually, let's, what does that give us? Can we run stuff? I wonder if I can just do a... Let's do this. Oh, let's do... Yeah, default. Default's fine. Whatever, let's not get complicated. Oh, snap. Hello, comrades. Welcome to the mosh pit. Metadev girl, thank you for the raid. I am in here butchering some Vue.js in a Vue.js tutorial. Thank you for the follow. Ukak Baba 22. Nice. Yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing 100 days of code. I guess. I'm on day 10. Day 10 of 100 days of code of this session of 100 days of code. I'm doing 300 days of code streams. What did you just finish streaming? Or have you just appeared just to raid me? Yours truly. I guess, oh, that's not where I was. Oh, I need to do 3,000. Oops. Yeah, but what were you up to? What mischievousness? Day 54. You're live streaming it all, huh? That's super badass. I love it. I love it. And here I thought I was original. I thought I was original doing 100 days of code via stream, via just tweets. But no, You beat me to it by 44 days. Badass. Everything going smoothly, everything making sense, all that groovy stuff. I was setting up the event sub API on Twitch. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Oh God, I clicked on your, I'm trying to click on your thing to give you a follow back. And what do? I foobar, now there's 5 browsers open. There, you are followed back. Super badass. I'm gonna go check out your stream later. And welcome to the pit. Oh, let's see here. You know, one of the things that I was just thinking about, speaking of the Twitch API and stuff, and even OBS. Like, so I'm using OBS, you know, like lots of people, I guess. And I was thinking about like the chat, and somehow there's got to be a way to blurt out a thing, have it pop up on screen, and tweet. Like, I want it to tweet something. Specifically to the extent of whenever a specific time point has been achieved and like I finished doing something, I want it to tweet, 100 days of code, got this implemented, boom, and post the thing up on Twitter. I think that'd be pretty cool. But I'm not really sure that I have the bandwidth at the moment to do it. Very nice, very nice. Live Coders, awesome group. A whole bunch of us. I keep seeing new people among us all the time, and I love it. I love it. I remember when it was like, I don't know, it felt like 10 people or something. It's like, oh, I know everybody here. This is weird. And now there's a bunch of new people, and I love that. So, oh, and you joined at just the right time. I think this might be working. Let's see if I. Something. Ooh. Maybe blarp blarp blarp. Okay, that doesn't work. Did I do? Is that what I added? Oh no, I want to delete. Oh, I don't even know what I added. Sure, let's delete that. Well, let's see if I can find the. No, I don't even know about this browser. Oh, more tools. Developer tools. That's maybe not what I wanted. Oh yeah, there's a console. Uncaught promise. A login required. Am I not logged in? I thought I was logged in. Oh, this opened in Brave. That's not what I picked. My tools aren't working right. Streamlabs OBS unless I just do custom alerts through Streamlabs. Oh yeah. One of my things is I basically use default OBS because I stream on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. And most of the cool things that like Streamlabs have done for OBS, where they like put this cool skin on it and everything, it only works on Windows. So I'm kind of screwed. Because I do like a bunch of, or I intend to do a bunch of stuff outside of the realm of just coding, do some music stuff and that kind of jazz, and that's a no-go on Windows. Like it ain't gonna fly. I got all my stuff on the Mac, and then I got a bunch of other coding stuff, distributed systems coding and software development stuff on Linux. So like I can't pull all of my stuff over to Windows, which is a bummer. But at the same time, it's nice. Let's see. Point redemptions. Control sources in Streamlabs OBS. Oh yeah, that's cool. Doing development on Windows. I mean, if you do development on Windows, you're kind of set. I mean, especially if you're doing web development, We just do it on Windows. There isn't any reason to do it anywhere else, really. Everything's supported. I do stuff on Mac and Linux because I've done a lot of not web development. And a lot of it just doesn't work on Windows. Why? Well, let's just pick Firefox. Maybe we'll actually pick Firefox. I have a bunch of weird browsers installed on here, and I want it to just launch Firefox. I don't want it to launch Brave, because Firefox is off already. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Awesome. Oh, you hate it? Yeah, then definitely don't do development on Windows. Get a Mac or something. I mean, honestly, I did development on Windows for a bunch of time, and I don't really... What's this? Oh, I'm getting distracted. I don't really particularly enjoy using Windows either. I would prefer to be on a Mac or Linux any day when I'm writing code. If I'm doing other stuff, then whatever. I'm fine. Gaming, etc. I use Windows, but so much stuff seems to break all the time. Ah, gotcha. What else do you use? Why is my thing not loading? Oh, timed out? Are you kidding me? The auth is not. Oh, there we go. And then shit. I've already forgot my password. Come on. Adrian, what the hell? No. Oh, yeah. Maybe is it in there? Why am I... What the... I could have sworn I saved this password like 10 seconds ago. Do all your dev on a Mac. What other dev do you do? Like, aside from obviously the Windows dev stuff. Oh yeah, what's this? And don't go anywhere. I'm just logging in. It will be successful. I'll be right back in just moments. I haven't even really left. Oh, come on, password keepers. Work with me here. Almost got it. And I'm going to find this sucker in a second. Is it this one? Oh, that's what I wrote. Oh, the stupidity of forgetting that one. Yeah. Oh, sweet. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am back. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Back in Java microservices for the past few years. Yeah, Java microservices, eh? Yeah. I like writing microservices and stuff. Done some in Go. I like Go for that. I've done some in Java. Seems like a lot of work. Got some friends doing some stuff like that in Java right now, and I look at the code base and I'm just like, good God, you have to like type so much and set up so much. And then I go write it in Go and it's like, I don't know, 10 lines of code for one endpoint. JS and Python, huh? Python in like a ML sense, or Python in like a web server sense, or what? Yeah, exactly. It's super verbose. You said it. Are you sure? Yeah. Well, damn it. So what did I not do? It says 2 users are logged on. Web developer tools. Console. Waiting for update signal from WDS. Some cookies are misusing the recommended same site attribute. Set to none. What? This page uses a non-standard property zoom. Alright, cool. Don't care. Bootstrap, man. You know, I feel like I should just do this from scratch instead of trying to hijack stuff. But really, like, why is... That work? What? Oh, I have to reload for that? WebSocket. Yeah, it's trying to... Oh, it wants me to... Okay, that's where I've missed something. I've missed something in the doc where it says to, like, load up this stuff on the local host. I thought I was doing it against... That's frustrating. Yeah, I thought like there was a... Oh well. Oh well, I've completely botched that up. So that ain't gonna work at all. That's fun. An hour and a half. Next time I'm just gonna do the whole thing from scratch. What type of dev work do? I do... That's so hard to answer. Go, I do some Python, I do some C#. I haven't done any UI development since before Vue.js existed, so that probably dates me. When was... Now I'm curious. Vue.js release. It's got to be a Wikipedia page. Yeah, so let's hear. Oh God, 7 years ago. Okay, so I'm at least 7 years old. But yeah. Oh, it was before then. It's like oh God. Yeah, I used to do web development, UI web development back in like the 2000s, I guess, 2008, 2009. And since then, I have primarily done all API, backend, distributed systems development, lots of database stuff, database work, distributed database operations type stuff, like a lot of Go development around that, a little bit of Kubernetes stuff, even though I don't know anything about Kubernetes, but I've done Kubernetes development. Go figure. So I'm kind of all over the board. And then I did some .NET stuff back in the day on Windows, because that's the only place you could do it. Yeah. But it was kind of fun too. Met lots of cool people over the years doing that. But I don't particularly miss that development. I like the webby stuff. I like doing Go development. I like system stuff. I don't know, I just kind of have fun building solutions in general. Not particularly... Like, I mean, I could do one thing if I wanted to, but I find myself in situations where I get to build solutions for different things that require me to bounce around and up and down the stack and out of the stack and blah, blah, blah. So I just kind of go and get things done wherever they need to be. And right now I'm primarily a developer advocate at Hasura, the GraphQL API server company. So that's super fun, lots of fun. Yeah, that sounds like a lot of the world, really. Um, I mean, outside of, I used to live in like Jacksonville, Florida, and Louisiana, down in New Orleans, and I lived in Memphis for a while, Madison, Wisconsin, Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm missing a bunch of places. But anyway, in all those places, it was always, that's one of the reasons I did so much .NET development, either .NET or Java. And I even did some Java then. But at some point, I thought to myself, I got to get out of the area and get out to the West Coast for a bunch of reasons. One, because I just love it out here. The nature and everything, whew, beautiful. But the work is very different. It just changes dramatically with all the big like cloud companies and all that. So moved out here a bunch of years ago and dove into other realms. And I haven't done much .NET since, yeah, I guess 2006 or something like that. Still familiar with it though. And I still think about doing it sometimes, but nothing really pulls me back to it. So that's nuked. And that's nuked. But we did figure out, so smart query, create to-dos mutation. Maybe I should just go do that. Maybe that'll work. Yeah, I know that's the mutation, but then... I feel like I should just start from scratch here. Let's see, where was I with the back end? Oh yeah, well, yeah. Give me a watch. The other thing to follow, go follow me on the Hasura HQ Twitch channel, because basically on that channel, 99% of what I do is GraphQL, database, getting Hasura set up, and like attaching apps and stuff to it. On this channel, I'm all over the board. Like I'm sometimes I just sit here and talk and fuss, or talk and celebrate, or play music or something. But on the Hasura HQ channel, deep dives into all that kind of stuff. We got tons of cool stuff that we do on that channel. And a lot of it, if you want to check out past episodes, because I don't think Twitch saves the Hasura stuff for too long, check out same thing on YouTube, youtube.com/HasuraHQ. So, let's see here. Make it easy. Make it easy here. HTTPS. Oh, I can't spell YouTube. I just spelled it like an idiot. There we go. So yeah, that's some good resources. As far as GraphQL is concerned, probably another good resource is just like the Apollo site. They make a server and some stuff like that. They make a client. But they also just have a lot of great tutorial stuff. But really, I mean, just straight up honestly, even if I didn't work at Hasura, I would point you at their website too. Their blog and their learn material, kind of like that I was just looking at, is amazing. They got a lot of stuff just around GraphQL itself, which is great. And the Hasura stuff does other stuff too. Like it basically sits on top of Postgres or SQL Server and give you API endpoints into your database via GraphQL or REST, which is cool. But yeah, like here, the tutorials, docs, and then GraphQL itself. Like we got a bunch of cool GraphQL stuff to get you started. If you just want to start from scratch, it's a great place to get started. So I'll post that in chat too. So much easier if I just post it in chat. Boom. Yeah, I think Hasura is a little lesser known. The Hasura stuff is generally a bit more, it gets you going faster. Like the Apollo server, you kind of have to write a bunch of it yourself. and connect it to your database or whatever you're going to connect it to yourself, Hasura does make the assumption that the prereq is you have to have Postgres or SQL Server that you're going to use. And then once you have that, though, you attach Hasura to it and just build out your tables and stuff however you want it. And then it introspects and builds out all the entities and all the GraphQL parts for you. And then all you got to do at that point is write the queries, right? The GraphQL queries, which makes it nice. And keeps you in the client side with all the JavaScript and everything, so you don't have to write a bunch of back-end stuff all the time, which is kind of nice, you know. And you can attach it to other, you can map it, make references and relationships to other GraphQL endpoints. So it's not like you're just limited to that one thing, which is pretty cool. Like right here, what I've done is I put my backend in first and just started adding some migrations. So it's got database migrations with the CLI tool that we have. And I've used a bunch of tools. I've even written a CLI tool for schema migrations. And this one is great. I've just completely defaulted to using it now. Let's see here. So I did all that. Stop running. So let's look at now and next up. Okay, so get the repo updated, get the local development working. But now that I've decided I don't want to use any of that thing because of the way it's set up, I'm going to take all of this, kill it, boom. And then I'm going to take, where'd it go? Oh, auth config, Babel config, don't need that. I want to keep my Docker Compose, because that's actually how I set up my local dev with Hasura and my Postgres server. And this, I kind of don't want to copy. I'll redo that when I do my own. So let's kill it too. There we go. Then package, kill that stuff. View and server. What is server? Oh yeah, it's that thing. Okay. So we're gonna start. We're just gonna make an empty project real quick. There we go. Nope. Okay. And where's my terminal? I don't want that. I want the terminal. The terminal's gone. Editor tabs. No. Tools. Is it under? I thought it was under window. It's Alt F11, and I have my goofy keyboard right now, so I don't even know what F11 is on it. Oh, view, tool windows. Here we go. Yeah, terminal. Oh, Alt F12. I wasn't even right in the first place. There we go. Get status. Get rid of all that deleted stuff. Removing the deleted stuff. It seems like a good commit message. Sweet. All right, on that note, I just rolled into my queuing time. So let's see here. Definitely join me tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific on Hasura HQ. I'll be doing an AMA and the 100 days of code there on a particular project that I'm working on that. And then this session of 100 days of code, I do at 9:15 p.m. At least that's what time I'm starting to do it now. Had a bit of a change up as my nights are freed up. So on that note, thanks for the raid, MetaDev Girl, and everybody else, thanks for the follow. You are thrashing. Happy thrashing code. I am going to disappear like the dead of the night. So, yeah. And as always, I'm always happy to answer questions. So feel free to ping me. I'm on Twitter at Adron, also Adron. If you're out there on that network of free websites. So, cheerio. Happy thrashing, everybody.